right, hey, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back to the Nut House of Nails. So glad you can join me today, okay? Look at here. I want to introduce this new Polygel nail kit that I'm about to try on my non-dominant hand. Yeah, this kit is called Sexy Mix Poly Nail Gel Kit. Yeah, well, that sounded crazy, but that's what the kit is. Anywho, let's get started. All right, y'all, we're going to go through the contents of this kit together, okay? The kit comes with instructions here, how to lay the polygel. I'm not going to go into reading all that because we just about know. You can watch a YouTube video, honey. You don't have to go through all that. Anyway, it comes with these dual forms. Y'all already know I'm not a fan of these, okay? It comes with 3 tubes of polygel. They are all 15-gram jars. You have the light pink, pure white, and clear. Comes with a slip solution. This one is 15 mil. Alright, it comes with 10 striping tapes here. It comes with these double thick sculpting forms. I don't know how many in here look like. Maybe 50, 100, something like that. That's what it looks like. Comes with this file with the name on it. Alright. Someone was doing their homework. Yeah, it comes with these here tool picker thingies. It comes with some rhinestones. This would be a great kit for beginners. Wow, it comes with a box full of goodies here. Yeah, it comes with these rhinestones. It also comes with these flowers. Who doesn't love flowers? They are so in. Gonna try your milk bath nail with these flowers. Anywho, you got the whole shebang in one. It comes with the glitters here, 6 of them right there. It also comes with a brush and a picker. Alright, you could tell somebody was woke in class. Girl, it comes with the brush and a picker with their name on it. Alright, sexy mix. Ooh, popping stuff all over the place. There we go. That's the brush. There's the picker. Just your regular standard picker, but it has the name on it, so that's great. Alright, it also comes with 2 bottles here, and one is a base. They are 7 mils, and this one is the top coat, which is also 7 mils. Now let me go ahead and prep my nails because I'm about to do my non-dominant hand. Of course, I'll be using nail tips. So I'll be right back with y'all in 1 minute, okay? Alright, I'm going to be going in with the clear polygel. These are the tips I will be using. These are called my cart. I will leave all the information to everything I use down in the description bar below, okay? All the information. Alright, y'all, sit back and enjoy this video. Okay, here's the final look of the nails. These are the 5 different polygels that I did the other day. If anybody watched that, if you haven't watched that, go check that video out. So this is not the hand we did today. We did this hand yesterday. Now let's talk about this polygel. All right. The polygel itself, to me, is just a tad bit too loose. It's a little bit runny. I prefer my polygel just a little bit thicker. Now some folks may like it a little runny, however, but that's my personal preference. Now, however, if you do own this polygel already, or you're looking to buy this polygel, if I had to give you any suggestions on how to use this polygel, I would suggest you hold your finger down this way. That way the polygel can run towards the tip of the nail, supposed to doing your nails this way, and it bags up and go near your cuticle. Because yeah, this gel was falling all over the place. I don't know if y'all paid that any attention throughout the video, but that's what was going on. Here's the swatches of the other colors of the gels. Of course, you can see white is on white, but it's a pretty white, and that pink there is a pretty pink as well. All right, I'm going to leave all the information down in the description bar about this kit if you're looking to go purchase this kit. Now, and in the video you see I went in and I used Madam Glam's Soak Off No White Top Gel Coat, and the reason I used that is because I just wanted it to follow behind Madam Glam's gel polish that I used on my nails here. And again, if you didn't get that, that's Sophisticated Gray. All right, and yeah, so I will come back in the near future and do another design using this kit, because like I say, it comes with a lot of goodies in here. And yeah, so I didn't encapsulate none of the flowers or the glitters because I just prefer to do this here design right here on my nails. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna quit holding y'all up. I know y'all tired of me talking. I'm gonna go ahead on and get on off this camera. Until next time, y'all, thank you so very much for tuning in. I greatly appreciate each and every last one of y'all. So I'm gonna get back with y'all real soon with another whole nother other video. All right, y'all, in a minute.